Warmth has certainly been a rarity for us as we have gone through a good chunk of this spring, and actually a good chunk of the year, actually. What we're looking at, though, is a surge of summer that's coming, and it may very well last into summer. Let's get into all it for you. First, from the Pepper Rickhouse in the Distillery District. You got Manchester right there, the Burl across the street. Lots of folks down there. Clouds are in place. Really nothing happening from those clouds at this point, although on the MaxTrack Live Doppler, there's that little shower we've been looking at up there toward Trimble County. We've been looking at this all afternoon, which is likely Virga, because as it approaches or tries to approach, you notice it disappears. And so that tells you that basically things are evaporating on the way down, but eventually we may see a few stray showers. Fun facts to know and tell. Love these. We've got another one. This is a cool edition one again for you. We are in the midst of May weather. It just got started over the weekend, and now it's almost over. You have another day, maybe two, to enjoy it, because by Thursday, suddenly it's summertime and it's June. So we still have not had an 80-degree day yet. We are now getting into historic territory. We are in historic territory for our first 80-degree day to start off the year. So as of today, we are in third place. We will tie tomorrow, more than likely. I don't think we hit 80 tomorrow either, so again, that'll put us in second place. Do we get to Wednesday and get into second place all by ourselves? That's the question mark. Right now, we're forecasting 80 on Wednesday. The other fun fact, this is kind of just looking at what's been going on this month, because it seems awfully cool, and it has been. We are tied for the fifth most days under 70 degrees, so that means in the 60s and 50s, for the first half of the month of May. This is through yesterday. We've had 12 of those, 12 out of the first 16. That's a lot when we're supposedly getting into our warm season. Now, we had 70s today, so we didn't add to the list. 72 now in Somerset, 73 in Corbin, but it's only 65 in Moorhead. It's 65 in Maysville. South side of Lexington is 71. It's also 71 at the Bluegrass Airport. Got a northeast wind today. 73 was the high today. We are going to do better than that tomorrow. How about highs getting into the upper 70s for most? 75 Winchester, 78 Lancaster and Danville, maybe an 80 there in Frankfort as we head over to eastern Kentucky, maybe the 80 in Irvine, 75 in Flemingsburg, 75 in Mount Sterling. By the way, Mount Sterling will be a focus for us next week. 80 in Hyden tomorrow, 80 in Manchester, 80 in Barberville. And finally around the lakes, you've got the upper 70s and 79 there in Liberty, 78 in Williamsburg. But after tomorrow, when we are above normal for the first time and it seems like forever, how about middle, maybe some upper 80s sneaking in here, because the jet stream is undergoing major league change. You see that big arc right there? That's called a heat ridge. We are at the center of that. That actually is going to try and retrograde back toward the desert southwest, but the bottom line for us is we stay under its care well into next week and beyond, and by that point we're almost to June. That warm front is going to continue to slowly bubble north. As it does so, a few stray showers are going to be a part of it, but not many. Most of us will stay dry, and once we are past tomorrow, that may be about it. Mainly cloudy, a few thunder showers around, a mild night. We're around 60. Tomorrow, stray thunder showers, not many. Upper 70s tomorrow, and then could it be an 80 on Wednesday? If it's not 80, then it's Thursday, and then the 80s hang around.